predictable signs. Then you laugh across the room and suddenly there's something new. You talk fast, I take it slow. You say things I never show. But somehow when you're around, my quiet doesn't feel so loud. You don't push, you don't pretend. You just lean a little in. And every wall I built before doesn't feel so strong anymore. You're my favorite noise at night, soft enough to feel just right. You don't steal the air I breathe, you just stay right next to me. You don't turn my world upside down, you just move it inch by inch. Somehow, yeah, you're my favorite noise, and I like the way it sounds. City lights, you shine without even trying. I watch you from the side, then you pull me in your tide. You're chaos in a gentle way, color in my shades of gray. I didn't know I needed you until you made my silence new. Not alone. Maybe loud can feel like home. Two different hearts, different pace, still we land in the same